This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by removing the obvious anchors so you can access internal clips. First, take out the 2 top and 2 bottom screws with the correct T8 and T6 drivers. This relieves tension. Once done, eject the battery and flip off the plastic cover like a small panel to expose hidden tabs. Next, insert a plastic spudger at the seam and pry gently while moving clockwise around the shell. This prevents breaking the internal clips and gives you evenly distributed separation. Now you'll get into the complex middle, separating the shell from the board. Gently lift the front shell while watching the thin ribbon cable that connects the board to the faceplate. Do not yank. Once visible, use tweezers and a small flat tool to unlock the ribbon ZIF connector and slide the cable out. This prevents tearing. After disconnecting, remove the 3 internal screws holding the PCB and vibration motors, and lift components vertically to keep connectors aligned and avoid bending pads. Finish by removing the remaining components. Pull the thumbstick straight up and lift the PCB off the lower shell, noting where each button and spring sits. When reassembling, reverse the steps and feed the ribbon cable back into its ZIF connector before snapping the halves together. Make sure screws are tightened evenly to avoid warping the shell. If buttons stick or misalign after reassembly, reopen, reseat the silicone membrane, and confirm the ribbon is fully inserted. This single check solves most post-repair issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.